Hello guys, what's up? Welcome, and in this today's tutorial we will learn how to create a such complex vast matter model in SketchUp using some plugins. Okay, so this is a pure trick that we will here use. So let's start guys. So guys, first you have to use a circle to draw a circle. Okay, press C and draw a circle. Here I am taking 2 feet dia and press F for offset tool. Okay, delete this face. Now here you have to extrude it by pressing P. Now guys, here I am just selecting upper two lines and moving with control and typing /10 for 10 number of copies. Okay, between up and down line. Okay. Now here what we'll have to do, you have to select entire model, make it in a group. Now here we will use this plugin, a Sketch Plus plugin, and using a sphere tool. Okay. Now guys, here I'm using a scale tool to scale this sphere like this shape. Now here I will rotate it at the angle of 45 degrees. So just find the center of this circle and then rotate with control and type X7. Now guys, you have to scale all the individual models one by one like that. Now here we will use a solid tool. Okay, so just find solid tool here. Now I have to click over subtract option. Before that, here I'm using soften tool to make model smoother. Okay, so now select subtract tool here. Now click over the surface and then click over the cylinder model to subtract like that. Okay, you have to do one by one with every individual models. Now guys, right click over the model, then click over clothwork plugin, make it add a cloth, and now click select apply adaptive grid option. Here I am applying adaptive grid. Now guys, find FFD2 and here I am tapping 5 by 5 by 5 grid. After creating this grid dot lines, you have to just click over the dot line and go inside and select dot line like that, and you can manipulate it. So here I'm using a scale tool to scale to make it like a voice model. Okay, so just select one by one. You can apply all kind of modifier tool like scale, move, rotate. So guys, here you can see the final result. You have to delete this, and now here I have applied a color here. So guys, if you want to learn more, you can subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Have fun. See you next tutorial.